Hello, welcome to TZT Learning Session. In this learning sessions, we'll show you how to post multiple batches in the general ledger. The Post Batches feature lets you post all your open batches at once. As we mentioned in our previous videos on general entries in general ledger batches, you can also post from the batch list window. When you use the Post Batches feature, you can handle several batches at once. In contrast, the batch list function only allows you to post one batch at a time. Remember, once you've posted your batches, they are recorded in the account history and update your account balances. You won't be able to edit these batches after posting. Now, let's go through how to post your journal entries and batches in the general ledger. There are several ways to do this. The first method is through the general ledger. Go to General Ledger Transactions, then select Post Batches. This will open the Post Batches window, where you can choose to post all batches that are ready or just a specific range. This method lets you post multiple batches at once. Next, let's close this window. Another way to post is through the Batch List window. Go to General Ledger, then General Ledger Transactions, and select Batch List here. You can perform all the steps needed for batch processing. When using the Post button in this window, you can only post one batch at a time. In the Batch List window, you'll see a Ready to Post column. This column allows you to mark a batch as ready for posting. To do this, simply double-click and change No to Yes if you have multiple batches. You can mark them as ready, and then post them all at once using the Post Batches window. You can also use the Post All button to post every batch that is ready. Whether you use the Post Batches window or the Batch List window, a posting sequence number will be recorded for each posting. This sequence number is different from the batch number and shows the order in which transactions were posted. Since you can post multiple batches at once, some may share the same sequence number. So that's it. Now you know how to use the Post Batches and Batch List windows to post multiple batches at the same time.